How to report a video on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to report a video on your page on TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Once you find a video that you want to report, all you need to do is click on the share icon and you have this list. Scroll over and you're gonna find report, click on it. Wait for a second and here you can select a reason why you are reporting this video. For example, dangerous, hate speech, whatever you want. If you didn't find your reason here, click on other and click on submit, and this is it. So easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.